And I'm Rebecca.
And this is our audition tape.
For Collab Is We. We have a YouTube channel right now. It's called Rebecca Taylor Muffins, and it's really bad. Link. Like, we only have 1 subscriber. The type of camera is it's a Canon PowerShot SX12015 optical zoom.
Yeah, we're both 14 and we live in Canada on the lake.
We use Windows Movie Maker. I know that's kind of
Yeah.
a disappointment for most people
Who
starting
edit?
a collab.
Yeah.
But we try our best, so.
We thought it'd be hilarious if we got the boat out.
If we do get into Collab Is We,
That'd
we really
awesome.
be amazing, but we really don't care what day.
Chase it.
Get it, Rebecca.
We like cats.
We like cats.
Interesting fact number 1.
This probably sucks. Hey.
What are some interesting facts about us, Rebecca?
I don't know, Taylor.
My dad's name is Paul.
I like cherries.
I like to paint my nails blue. That chair looks really comfortable. Don't like me.
My cat got hit by a car. Oh.
My dog doesn't know how to use the bathroom outside. I think that's enough. So nothing interesting facts to you?
I don't play any sports, because I suck.
Me either.
I kind of got this modeling thing on the side.
Yeah.
But not really. Kind of.
I play guitar.
I'm going to learn how to play the drums.
Ooh, we're gonna start a band.
That's actually why I'm doing it, because I want to be in a band. Lame.
Shut up.
I have people talking to me on MSN. Fact number, I don't know, probably like 9.
Go now?
Yeah.
Bye.
You live